Am I dreaming? Is that fried lasagna? Air fried lasagna. It is. Oh my gosh. Look at that lasagna noodle. So crispy. Hey, that's me. I'm Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes. I've been researching this for some time now, and I finally get to dig in and see what it tastes like. Oh boy. Oh. That was worth the wait. Alright, let's boil up some lasagna noodles. Let them cool in some cold water so we can handle it real well without burning our fingertips. Some ricotta cheese. I'm going to shred up some mozzarella cheese. We'll add that in with our ricotta. We'll shred up some Parmesan cheese and we'll add that to our cheese mix. And Italian parsley chopped real small. And about a quarter cup pack. Add that in there. And some oregano and some basil, some salt and pepper. And a couple of green onions. We'll chop up real small and go back across a few times. Don't like a bunch of big chunks of the white side. Garlic powder, and we'll mix it up real well. A couple of eggs, I forgot. Don't forget your eggs. Mix that in. Makes it much easier to spread across your lasagna noodle. There we go. And we have some frozen Italian meatballs that we thawed out and sliced real thin. Push that to the side. Put out a lasagna noodle. We'll chimera some of that cheese that we made. Put that across to a nice thick layer. And we'll do 3 rows of those Italian meatball slices, and we'll roll it up. I recommend just keep on rolling. Makes it a lot easier. And we'll throw that in a wax paper lined dish. Cover it up with some plastic wrap. Wrap it real tight. We're going to throw that into our RV freezer for about 5 or 6 hours. Get that cheese nice and cold and firm. And we have our breadcrumbs. It's our Parmesan cheese. And some more salt and pepper. Mix it up real well. I recommend using a fork. And we have a couple of eggs we're going to beat up and add about a quarter cup of cream. I like the consistency. I think it covers all the nooks and crannies of our lasagna much better than straight egg. And we'll roll it around, get it all covered. And we'll press it into our breadcrumb mixture. Make sure we got those crumbs everywhere. Put it on some wax paper. We'll keep on doing that until we finished all of our rolled lasagna. Set our air fryer for 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Once it's hot, oil up that basket. And we'll load that basket up with those beautiful rolled lasagnas. I was able to get 4. It was about small burrito sized rolled lasagnas. Spray them with oil. Get those breadcrumbs a little bit wet, and we'll do 380 degrees for 16 minutes. That's how they look. Halfway through, oil them up, flip them over. Oh boy, aren't they beautiful? Oil them up a little bit again, and throw them back in for the last 8 minutes. Take them out, boom. 380 degrees looks like that. 400 degrees looks like that. A little crispier. Absolutely delicious. Oh boy. It's a masterpiece. Used a marinara sauce that we get from Costco. It's garlic Parmesan basil, I believe. And oh boy, what a crispy crust. I've been looking forward to this since I started looking around. My little sister actually said that she wanted me to make this for her. Oh, thank you very much, April. Look at this. Oh boy. Definitely worth the extra work to make sure we have the right recipe. You guys can add whatever you want. You don't have to add oregano and basil. You can add just Italian seasoning or whatever is your favorite Italian seasoning. Put that away. Maybe get around to those green beans eventually. But hey guys, we appreciate you guys watching and paying attention to us. Do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll be notified whenever we give you a new video. And we do have this recipe. It is in a link in this video's description. It'll take you straight to that recipe on our website. And you can take a look at all of our other recipes we have out there and videos. Thank you very much for watching. We love you guys. We'll see you soon. And yeah, bye-bye.
Wow!